Hello, it's me, Vicki, again. In today's video, we're going to look at 30 basic phrasal verbs in English. 30 verbos frasales en inglés. Acuérdate que puedes poner los subtítulos para ver, si pones subtítulos puedes ver el inglés también abajo, ¿vale? Okay, so phrasal verbs, so annoying in English, muy irritante, no in inglés. Okay, so 30 basic phrasal verbs. Number 1, to bring back, devolver, okay? He brought my book back yesterday. He brought my book back yesterday, ¿vale? To bring back, devolver. Okay, number 2, to ask for. To ask for, pedir en español. We asked for a sea view. A ver si tú puedes traducirlo. We asked for a sea view. Okay, number 3. To ask out. To ask out, eso es invitar a alguien para salir, especialmente una chica que te guste o un hombre que te guste, un chico, lo que sea. To ask out, invitar a salir. I hope that he asks me out. I hope that he asks me out. Number 4, to back down. To back down. When you back down, you retreat. Si piensas que tú estás correcto, que la otra persona está equivocada, pero encuentras que no, que actualmente eres tú la persona equivocada, you back down. Yeah, es como rendirse, pero no exactamente eso. Por ejemplo, they told him he was wrong and he backed down. Yeah, they told him he was wrong and he backed down. Okay, number 5, to believe in. To believe in, creer en. You must believe in yourself. It's very important. You must believe in yourself. Number 6, to blow out. To blow out. She blew all the candles out on her birthday cake. Yeah, this is what we do. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, and then we blow the candles out. She blew all her candles out on her birthday cake. Number 7, to call off. To call off is like cancel, cancelar. To call off. The barbecue was called off because of the rain. The barbecue was called off because of the rain. Number 8, to call back. So, eso es devolver la llamada, más o menos. To call back. They said that they will call back tomorrow. They said that they will call back tomorrow. Number 9. To calm down. Calm down. Tranquilizar, tranquilizarte, ¿sabes? Please calm down. I don't want to argue. Yeah? Please calm down. I don't want to argue. Number 10. To carry on. Carry on more or less is seguir. They asked him to stop, but he just carried on. They asked him to stop, but he just carried on. Number 11. To go without. To do without. To do without es cuando no tienes algo, pero te defiendes de todas formas. Yeah, to do without something. I don't have any summer clothes, but I can do without. Yeah, no es necesario. I don't have any summer clothes, but I can do without. Eso verdad en Inglaterra, no hace falta ropa de verano mucho. Aquí en España lo necesitas. I don't have any summer clothes, but I can do without. This one, I like this one. Number 12. To doze off. To doze off. Yeah, is caerte dormido or dormida. Yeah. Así. So, you were watching the television, but you dozed off. You were watching the television, but you dozed off. Number 13. To drop in. To drop in is pasar por, yeah, is pasar por un sitio, ¿sabes? So, we dropped in at Sarah's house on the way to the shops. Pasamos por la casa de Sara en el camino a las tiendas. We dropped in at Sarah's house on the way to the shops. Number 14. To fall apart. To fall apart. Fall apart es como colapsar o resulta en trozos, ¿sabes? For example, I picked it up and it just fell apart. It fell apart. Yeah, eso es lo que dicen los niños normalmente. I picked it up, it just fell apart. No lo rompí yo. I picked it up and it just fell apart. Number 15. 15, not 50. To fall down. He was so drunk that he fell down on the floor. Yeah, he was so drunk that he fell down on the floor. Eso es caerse. Caerse abajo. Okay, number 16. To fall for. To fall for. So, to fall for someone es caerse enamorado con alguien. I just couldn't help falling for him, even though I knew he was married. Eso muy mal, eh? I just couldn't help falling for him, even though I knew he was married. Number 17. To fill in. Eso es completar, como un formulario, completar un formulario o una solicitud de trabajo o algo así. They filled in all the forms as requested. They filled in all the forms as requested. For example, number 18, to flip out. To flip out is enfadarse mucho, yeah? She told him the truth and he flipped out. She told him the truth and he flipped out. Number 19, not 90, 19. To get along es caerse bien con alguien. To get along. John and Jane get along very well. John and Jane get along very well. Se caen muy bien. Number 20. To give away. To give away is dar, regalar. Dar algo como regalo. She is giving away all her old clothes. She is giving away all her old clothes. Number 21. To give up. Give up is dejar de hacer algo. Dejar de fumar, dejar de beber alcohol, dejar de comer chocolate, etc. To give up. I have given up alcohol. I have given up alcohol. Number 22. To go ahead. To go ahead. We have decided to go ahead with buying the house. So eso es ir en adelante o seguir con algo. We have decided to go ahead with buying the house. Hemos decidido a seguir o adelantar con comprar la casa. We have decided to go ahead with buying the house. Number 23. To head back. Head back. Head back is volver, más o menos, to return. So we have been out a long time. Let's head back now. Yeah? Hemos estado fuera mucho tiempo. Volvemos a casa ahora. We have been out a long time. Let's head back now. Number 24. To hear about. To hear about. So es oír o escuchar de algo. Yeah, to hear about. For example, where did you hear about the job? I suppose in Spanish más supiste, ¿no? ¿Dónde supiste sobre el trabajo? Or enterar, to find out as well. So to hear about. Where did you hear about the job? Number 25. To hold against. So es tener contra alguien. To hold something against someone is like tener contra alguien. So he holds everything I did wrong against me. So tiene todo que he hecho mal contra yo, más o menos. So, to hold against, he holds everything I did wrong against me. No me perdona. Number 26. To keep away. To keep away. I am keeping away from people because of COVID. So to keep away es guardar la distancia. Ahora mismo tenemos que todos hacer eso. I am keeping away from people. Me guardo la distancia de la gente because of COVID. Por COVID. Okay, number 27. To kick out. To kick out. Eso es figurativo, no es literalmente dar patadas a alguien para quitarles de un sitio. Es figurativo, it's a figure of speech. They kicked him out of the shop because he was suspicious. Yeah, so they told him to go. They kicked him out of the shop because he was suspicious. Number 28. To know about. Saber sobre algo. Saber algo sobre algo. O algo de algo. We didn't know anything about it. We didn't know anything about it. No sabíamos nada sobre esto o sobre él. We didn't know anything about it. Number 29. To leave behind. When you leave something behind is dejas atrás. You know, dejas algo or alguien. When I left England, I left all my friends behind me. Yeah, when I left England, I left all my friends behind me. And the last one, number 30, to lie around. To lie around. And this, eso es ser muy perezoso, muy vago, y just tumbarse en el sofá y no hacer nada, ¿sabes? No trabajar, etc. He just lies around the house all day. He's so lazy. He just lies around the house all day. He is so lazy. Okay, thank you for watching. If you found it useful, the phrasal verbs, please give me thumbs up. It's very important for me, please. And subscribe, please. And press the bell, ding, for the notifications. And que tu Dios vaya con... Oh, I'm doing it in Spanish. Should be doing it in English. Sorry. Sometimes I get mixed up. May your God go with you, and I will see you very soon in the next video. Thank you. Bye.